were
Okay,
fully
great.
protected.
Okay.
And that actually a lot of people still talk about it and thank Dad for it.
Yeah, I know it's a brave move to do that, taking the risk, and apart from going in deep into the enemies, he was also protecting our own people who have needed that protection, like particularly refugees when they need the most. Otherwise, because of that madness, they would have got killed if he was not protecting them.
So these
Yeah.
acts of valor, I mean, it's throughout his life he's done. Okay, it's
So
not
we have,
only.
yeah, salute to the Veer, our brave hero, brave heart. So he
And
is the true brave heart of Indian Air Force.
yes, and my sister's also there in the call. I think she can
I
also.
think she can also share something.
Yeah, hello, and
Hello. Yeah, good
Jai
morning and
Hind,
welcome. I think your name is
Jai
Charlie
Shri,
Singh.
Jai
Jai Shri.
Shri. Yeah, I
Okay.
logged
He's,
in.
acha, acha,
Yeah,
from him. Yeah, Jayan, thank
my
you for
name
coming
is
on the call.
yeah. So my name is Jai Shri,
Yeah.
and if you recollect, Baba
Yeah, I think
talking
your
about.
birthday is on 17th, no? 17th December.
So I was going to say exactly that. I mean, I think Baba talked about his wife being pregnant during the war.
Yeah.
So I was the one who was born then.
Oh, okay. Okay.
For me also, it is actually Swarnim Jayanti this year.
Yeah.
So,
Naturally.
yeah,
So I think your name also, no, Victor for our country and Jayasri.
Yeah.
That's why it is Jayasri. Yeah.
yes.
Very
So
good.
I think, I mean, I am totally war baby and totally Air Force baby.
Yeah,
And, and now, I mean, today after hearing him, I know where my own storytelling skills come from.
He's a great storyteller, you know.
Yeah.
We all enjoy the way he narrates his story.
Yeah. We've heard this story, these many stories actually many times, but every time, it's such a pleasure. So I think for us, both my brother and I, we've grown up with that sort of an inspiration at home.
That is great.
And also, I mean, wherever we meet friends, we meet people, they talk about Dad. So it's quite.
How do you feel about his brave acts?
I think if you really ask me, I think, I mean, having a firstborn where you don't even see your own baby and you're out fighting a war.
Yeah.
I think it's not easy. Now I realize, I mean, I didn't know all of that before, but now I realize that, with your wife who's, pregnant in the 9th
last stages, yes.
month, and you're going to have a baby and you've left her alone and gone away, and you don't know whether you will live or die.
Come back or not. So, yeah, he was telling, I think more than dozen occasions wherein he was close to death.
Yeah, and my mother, poor thing. I mean, she was all alone, and I mean, you are with your parents, but even then, I mean, your husband is nowhere.
Emotional attachment always required, emotional support. Yeah. By the way, Jayasri, what were her feelings? She must have shared during those crucial days.
Yeah, so she used to tell me, she used to say that, every time there used to be, she was in the command hospital, Kolkata.
Okay.
And she used to say that there used to be blackouts.
Okay.
And there was always this, she said, I used to switch off the radio because on the radio there used to be some news about somebody dying.
Yeah.
She said, I used to be worried that, you never know when your dad's name comes up.
Yeah. Correct.
So she's, so I can, hats off frankly to my mother.
Okay. She's also a brave lady.
Not easy. Yeah.
Not easy to digest those facts.
Exactly. And then to have a baby and, actually deliver the baby and not see the husband for a further longer time, probably a month or so later, he came back.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So, so not the easiest, but, for me, both parents have been quite an inspiration. Yeah.
So each day she must have been having her, crossing her fingers. Kya ho jayega?
Yeah.
And must be praying God for his safety.
Yeah.
So nice, Jayasri, for you to come on the call and share your thoughts about the daddy. Of course, you are a proud daughter of a great warrior.
100%.
Yeah, we all salute him. And thank you for both of you, Mr. Jayant. Sir, you are also Jayant and Jayasri. Sir, together. So are you all staying with the daddy or away from him? I think daddy used to say.
I am in Pune. Yeah, I am in Pune.
That's why daddy is also there with you. So whatever, Mr. Jayant, where are you now?
I'm in Thane.
Pardon?
Thane. which is about 3 hours from
Thane.
Pune.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, thank you for both of you for coming on the call and adding value to what your daddy has already said. So
Sir,
on
both
behalf
the
of
name,
all our
both,
air warriors. Yes, sir.
both the names indicates victory.
Yeah,
Jayant
that's
and
what.
Jayashree.
He is a victor. He is a victor
Yeah.
for life. So
Yes,
he wants everybody to be a victor.
definitely.
That's what it is. So many
Jayanti-
people become victim of life, but he remained victor throughout.
Jayanti,
Whether
my
it is
son also
within-
marine engineer. Jayanti,
Okay.
my son also marine engineer.
Oh, great,
nice.
great. So now I think, sir, finally we'll take one question and open it to our public to ask questions. So what was the major impact of your destroying the enemy push towards that Longewala, sir? I think there is a lot. Had you not intervened or their advanced push, I think would have lost the territory part of it. That's what we come to know through this some history part of it. Yes, sir. That's sir.
You
What
are
was
right.
the major impact of your strike?
You see, you are right.
Yes, sir.
The armor never thought that the Air Force would have a kill in the first sortie,
Sir,
in the first attack,
sir.
and that too a direct hit,
Hit.
which broke their morale.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Trying to sort of guard this particular tank because
Yeah.
it was the tank commanders.
Okay.
So they were trying to raising dust and other this thing so that I should not be able to track that tank.
Okay.
But through that dust, I was tracking and
Yeah.
firing. So which actually broke their morale.
Okay, sir.
Second thing was
Yeah.
that we never left Longewala alone. Always we had one aircraft or the other
Yeah.
over them,
Yeah.
which made sure that they were not able to move forward nor backward.
Okay.
So that was very much visible in one of the communications. वो बोल रहा है तो ये एयरफोर्स इधर आके 20-20 मिनट हमारे ऊपर नाचते हैं और आगे तो जाना तो नहीं मुमकिन है ना पीछे जाना.
Sir.
हमारा एयरफोर्स कहाँ है? हमारा मोरल डाउन है. हमारा 40% डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑलरेडी हो गया.
Okay.
So that had a salutary effect on
Okay.
their morale. Breaking
Okay.
down
That's great, sir. That's great. And also, sir, I think we see in the border picture from even from the ground side also, I think Major Chandpuri, if I am correct. So have you happened to talk to him anytime about this operation, sir?
No, let us keep that away
Sir.
because this particular picture border
Sir.
is made to make money.
Of course, sir. Of course. Yeah, that is their purpose. So, okay.
There are a lot of things which are not tactically.
No, they add so much of masala also to make it more. Yes.
So let us
viable.
let us take it with a little bit more of mirchi and masala.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
We
Yes,
keep
sir.
that. But one thing good which the picture did was
Sir.
that that increased the participation of the public.
Okay.
You know, morale about the armed forces went up a notch. That they achieved. I must say hello to them for that.
So thank you, sir. Then how did you enjoy the victory of our Air Force against Pakistan, sir? Finally, when the Vijay Diwas was declared, I mean, the victory was celebrated. I think you must have enjoyed the very next day with your daughter.
No. The 16th was the surrender ceremony.
Sir.
17th was the ceasefire in the eastern sector.
Sir. Sir.
18th was the ceasefire in western sector.
Mhm.
On the 19th, the war ended.
Acha, okay. Okay.
So after that, we reverted to the normal OCU from 122 Squadron.
Okay, sir.
So we went back to Jamnagar. And
Okay.
from there, I was able to contact through the telephone about the welfare of my wife and the kid, because
Okay.
I came to know that on the 17th morning my daughter was born, but till then I didn't know.
So it's a gift of war. Daughter. Yeah.
God,
Jayashree is the gift. Yes, sir. Given by the God to you. And yes, sir. And anything else you want to share, sir, before we open for the public to ask? We have a great personality like our Brigadier Apte sir is also on the call.
I
Yes,
must
sir.
talk about my wife.
Yes, sir.
She is the greatest of all,
Yes, sir.
because my bravery is nothing in front of her, waiting for things to happen.
Oh,
God, the amount of mental torture she must have undergone
sir.
is unimaginable.
Okay, sir.
So every morning when I get up, I look at her picture, I give her a salute, and then say, "Thank you very much, my dear wife."
Yeah. Definitely, sir. She must have gone a tremendous, the emotional stress, not only from her physical body point of view, because of you participating in the war and facing bravely kind of thing. So we should give her salute also for her, support to you as well,
Sir.
sir. Thank you, Das sir, for your wonderful articulation and real life situation of facing the enemy, and in spite of so many odds of continuous firing by the enemy, then you have had your own kill of 5 tanks, so many troops and vehicles also, and accordingly you have been given the Veer Chakra for your bravery. So again, hats off to you, sir, for the display of bravery and professional skill and devotion of very high order for the cause. So now I'd like to request our participants like our Brigadier Apte sir to give your own comments or ask whatever you would like to ask, sir. Thank you for joining, sir. Firstly, Brigadier Apte.
Thank you very much, Mr. TVR.
Sir.
My great compliments to Group Captain Das Veer Chakra for an excellent narration of what exactly happened. I must compliment his daughter Jayashree, and I think Jayant. Incidentally, I am also in Pune. I don't know whether I have had the pleasure of meeting Group Captain Das, but maybe after the pandemic subsides, I would love to meet him because I know a lot of Air Force officers. I'll just highlight a few points. Excellent narration, sir. In fact, on the Longewala front, what he has described, I'll give you the battle scenario from the ground. Though I was fighting on the eastern front and was there right up to the capture of Khulna. But on the western front, that day when Group Captain Das and I think it was Air Marshal M.M. Singh and the whole lot were there, my own postmate was supporting 23 Punjab, deployed about a kilometer behind Longewala. I have myself commanded my brigade subsequently during the Kargil conflict in the area, though I was with the Strike Corps, that's 21 Corps, but I was deployed in case war was declared by Mr. Vajpayee. So my brigade and the armored brigade were all deployed at Longewala. I have actually seen the destruction of the enemy tanks.
That's great, sir.
Yes, I visited there. So what Group Captain Das says, I raise a big salute to the Indian Air Force. I have seen those tanks on ground. I have been to that very picket which the border movie has shown, because that was my task, to fire across and punch through the international border with the armored brigade.
Yes,
so
sir.
I have had great interaction with 45 Brigade, which is there. And I have seen exactly what Group Captain Das has mentioned. Even those tank tracks are still preserved. And incidentally, I knew Major Atma Singh, retired as a Major General. He is no longer there. He's faded away. But I know Colonel PPS Sangha very well. Sangha is not only from my school, but a little senior to me from the National Defence Academy. We are from the same regiment. We've served together. And I am in constant touch with Colonel Sangha.
Oh, great, sir.
Whatever Group Captain Das is said, I supported 100%. That is exactly what happened. And let me just remind the Air Force heroes out here that as far as the Army is concerned, if the enemy air is predominantly active and our own Air Force doesn't step in, the ground forces feel, helpless. That is number one.
Yes, sir.
We feel annoyed that what is happening, why isn't our Air Force coming in? I have faced that for a number of days on the Eastern Front till Don Lazarus, Suarez, Ganpati, Massey, all of them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The
Great heroes. Yes.
So that gives a morale boosting effect. And this is exactly what happened throughout the war. I must raise a salute again to the Air Force, because not only did we gain the favorable air situation on the Eastern Front, but we gained overall air supremacy, and that is thanks to the Air Force. As far as the Western Front is concerned, I lost my cousin fighter pilot on the first day of the war, Pradeep Apte. So I know he was newly married, but luckily no child.
Okay. Sir.
I was a bachelor, so I can imagine what Jayashree has mentioned, because my cousin left behind a widowed girl, just 20 years old. She's in China now. She's in touch with me. I was a bachelor, so least bothered because I had no one except my parents. But the family goes through a lot of, trauma, and I can imagine what Group Captain Das's family would have gone through. I'll only say one final thing. I have served with 23 Punjab.
Sir.
I never met Major Chandpuri, but I served with one of their officers, Captain Tripathi, who was my batchmate, together in Army headquarters. And having been on ground to Sadewala, Longewala, all that, I have been there. I commanded my regiment in the Run of Kutch, which had its operational role exactly where Group Captain Das has mentioned. The going on the ground is tough, and when I spoke to Captain Tripathi from 23 Punjab, he was there in the battle. He said we owe a lot to the Indian Air Force and to the Aerope pilots. And as far as the movie is concerned, let me tell you, I do agree with Group Captain Das. Less said, the better.
Okay.
Because being an army man, I do feel that the movie, was in a different manner. Probably JP Arya had his own priorities. I don't wish to get into that.
Okay.
But, I will just summarize by saying that the Air Force played a wonderful role, and I have seen their actions. I've been under enemy air attacks. I've been under enemy shelling. As just a 20-year-old boy, I transformed from a schoolboy to a cadet to a fighter in the 71 war. So I know it, and I have seen the performance of the Air Force. I'll just raise a great salute to them. Let me give all the air warriors here a 31-gun salute, which is due only to the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces. But I think I will also say finally one thing. Our Air Force is about the best in the world, and that there's no doubt. And our air pilots can take off and attack under adverse conditions. And so also will I say about the Indian Army, because we fight hand to hand with the enemy. I have seen battle right from the front line. So I am indeed grateful, and I compliment all three services of the Indian Armed Forces. And I'm sure that we are veterans now. So frankly, I will only say that if there is a possibility of another war, I will love to be back in my uniform.
Great spirit, sir. Great spirit. Yes, sir. Now, wonderfully articulated and explained from the ground warriors' point of view. Sir, you have always been a great value to our discussions, adding a lot of value. So, and also we are quite excited to listen to your perspective or story of the 1971 war on the next Sunday, 10 o'clock, sir. So thank you for accepting it and also making it, trying to make it a great kind of presentation on next Sunday. Thank you, Brigadier Apte, sir. Despite your many hectic schedules, you made it convenient to come and share your thoughts on this. So it's not only Air Force, it is, as you rightly said, combined effect of all the forces which we saw that we won. Thanks to all Army also, sir, and all Navy at the same time. Particularly for your contribution towards the discussions. Yes, sir. Next, Kautra, sir, would like to say something?
Yeah.
Sir, 1 second. Das sir wanted to say something. Yes, sir. Das sir.
Before that, I just wanted to add,
Sir.
my daughter, my son, and my daughter-in-law,
Sir.
all the three of them are gems.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Let me add up that before I sign
Sir.
off.
Yes, sir. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you. And you are so blessed with beautiful people, it really seems.
Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. Vikamal Kawatra, sir.
Yeah, firstly, I must congratulate Das sir. So beautifully he has narrated the complete scenario.
Yeah.
And I have flown so much with him and learned so much from him.
Yeah, that's great.
Thank you very much, Das sir, for reviving old 70 days.
Sir, you are on mute, sir. Please unmute yourself, sir. Kawatra, sir, please unmute. Kawatra,
Okay,
sir,
can
please.
you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Carry on, sir. Carry on.
Das sir, I hope when I come to Pune, I must come and pay my respect to you. Now, coming to Brigadier Apte, I totally agree with his perspective. I happen to meet Brigadier Chandpuri quite often in Pune during a lot of get-together.
Yes, sir.
He also said, less said about the movie Border, the better.
Okay.
Now coming to the Longewala ground scenario, I have also been on the ground also, and I have seen so many tanks. And one of my postmates' son was commanding 45 Brigade, Armored Brigade in Jaisalmer. So I went there, I think 4 or 5 years back, and I still visited the complete area. And forget about Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer is all most of the fighter pilots, they operate from Jaisalmer, and whosoever goes there, he makes it a point of visiting Ramgarh area. Forget about what are the other activities we do. And lastly, I will say, in 71 officer. Way Das sir has narrated JLO's role. Similarly, we faced a similar type of situation in Srinagar when we operated in Kargil area and around other areas of J&K. The information available with JLO is, I'll say, is almost zero.
Oh.
And briefing is concerned, they only tell you the FAC's call sign is this and they are over there, and on such and such RT you just contact them. I hope things must have improved by now, and since I'm totally out of touch with armed forces, except my son was in the armored side, now also he has come out and flying in civil aviation. So I do not know what is happening in last 20-25 years, but I hope things are moving in a right direction. And in case there is any requirement or need or something goes up, I would love to come and
it's a great spirit, sir. Great spirit.
Once again. Thank you
very
remains.
much. No retirement for the spirit. Thank you, sir. Thank you. We have
Absolutely.
other.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
Yes, thank you, sir. Then we have our, yes, sir, Krishnamurthy, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Oh, you are traveling. Great.
I am traveling,
sir.
no doubt. Sir. But I have been listening to this thing. What I realized was the citations for various bravery awards and other awards do not justify what has actually happened.
Yes, sir. That's what it seems. Yes, sir.
Now, listening to Das sir, he just doesn't deserve the VRC. He required much more award.
Paramveer Chakra.
Paramveer Chakra. Yes.
Yes,
so,
sir.
And I also told earlier in one of the other meetings that because of the Western sector doing extremely well, we in the Eastern sector didn't bother about anyone. We just went on, what do you call it in English as regardless, bash on regardless.
Regardless.
So that is what we did. And ultimately, it was guys, persons, heroes like Das sir who have got the 71 of the victory. Righto then. I will not miss that. I will continue my journey. Righto.
So, thank you, sir. Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Vingamal Krishnamurthy, sir. Thank you for joining in spite of your journey.
I
So,
leave the thing if you don't mind. Okay.
thank you, sir. Thank you for making it.
Bye.
Yes, sir. Group Captain Goen, sir. Another our hero, 71. I mean, yes. So great hero who painted the live pictures of our war, showing war lively through his paintings. Yes, sir. Group Captain Goen, sir.
Yeah. Yes, TBR, don't call me war hero because I am post-war.
Post-war, but depicting war. You are also hero, sir. Depicting the war zone to us.
But I tried through my canvas
Yes, sir.
to
So it's a great blessing for you.
make people not forget what the people like Gopi Das have done. And so
Yes.
many of our heroes, brave birds. And to that extent, I'm thankful for letting me join and listen to Gopi Das. But before I talk to Gopi Das, let me congratulate Brigadier Apte for telling us this from an army perspective, because not only border, but there is a thinking among the Air Force that army tries to play down the Air Force role, whether it is Longewala or whether Kargil. But like he has narrated, he is a person of great experience. He commanded units in Eastern Sector, Western Sector. So, and from my alumnus NDA, I'm feel very proud of it. So I'm 41 NDA. He was very senior to me. And
Which squadron are you from NDA?
I was a Lima, sir.
Okay, I was Juliet, but I think I was a sixth termer when you were a second termer, I think.
I was 41. Were you in 36? 36?
Yeah, Juliet squadron. That's right.
Okay. So, nice talking to listening to you and listening to army part of it. And one of the reason even Air Marshal Bawa says that that Chandpuri got more than he deserves. But anyway, let's not talk about it. This is what has happened. But like what you know now, what's happened from Gopi Das, I have no doubt about what Gopi Das has done. But I have, because before making that art on Longewala, I have read extensively about Longewala, and then my painting has been taken as a book cover by the book on Air Marshal Bharat Kumar. In fact, I talked, Dasa, if you remember, I talked quite a few times on telephone to listen to his part of the story before I make it.
Yes.
So let me only add as a pilot what probably Dasa has not told. Yes.
Can you see this one?
Yes.
Can you see this one, sir?
Yes, that's my painting.
So this is the painting by Group and Goen, sir, depicting the war victory. I mean, taking by our Das sir on the tanks. So first kill, whatever you call it, there are so many kills. So can you see, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is the greatness of our Goen, sir, depicting the war zone participated by our Das sir. Yes, sir.
Give me 2 more minutes, TB.
Yes, sir. Please, sir. Please.
I think some of the things that Gopi Das has not mentioned, obviously he cannot mention everything. I as a pilot, having flown in Jaisalmer sector, I used to go for firing on Pokhran. I was posted in Bikaner. Let me tell you, it is one of the most difficult terrain to fly for a fighter pilot.
Yes, sir.
It's the most difficult terrain to fly because you don't see anything. It's a featureless terrain. And if there's a tank there, okay, I have also done a photo recce role for MiG-21. We used to go round and round and round, don't see any tank. But when you go onto the ground, you see there are hundreds of tanks. They go camouflage so beautifully.
Right.
And okay, you forget about finding a tank. We used to go to Pokhran Edge, you don't find the range of that. The visibility is so bad. So in that kind of an environment, okay, and visibility, other condition, he's the first one to find a tank. Obviously, he was not sure whether it's Indian or Pakistani.
We thought
but you're the first one to find the Pakistani. That and early morning is almost impossible to find any target. He found it and directed. Hats off to you, sir. Your flying capabilities, your professional skills, and Also, lastly, I must add, seeing your profile from the background you had to become the overall first in the merit in the course. I have not won any first trophy
Great, sir.
in
Great.
my life,
Great.
but to be there, to be number one in the course, you must be really, really good. Indian Air Force doesn't make anybody,
Just like that.
doesn't drop their standards. You have that standard. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Go ahead. I would like to add the 1 or 2 points. If you get a chance to go to Jaisalmer now, please drive down from Jodhpur to Jaisalmer, and you will see what a change it has come. It has become beautiful. All around it is green.
That's right.
And our time, it was, rightly you have brought out, it was so difficult to navigate in that area because of the visibility. But now that there are so many features, I'm sure the things must be much better.
That's right.
Thank you.
That's right. Thank you.
Thank you, Kotra sir, and thank you, Group Head Goen sir, for your talk on him. And now I'd like to invite our General Pathak sir, because he has been in touch with him and arranged this program. General Pathak sir.
Yes. Good morning, everybody.
Yes, sir.
It was a wonderful direction by Das sir. It was a thrilling experience which he has given. In spite of his physical condition, he has been so good. My goodness. We love you, sir. And your valor, explained by your son and daughter, also has added a very good color to your meeting today. So, I will not take more time. I wish you all the best and see you well. Wish you very speedy recovery and see you on your feet, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Pathak sir.
So, thank you, General Pathak sir, then for arranging all these meetings through your efforts, continuous efforts. Yes, sir, I would like to invite anybody who are Balinga sir.
In spite of my arrange, I am just arranging, Rao.
Sir.
But all the job is done by you. I am just arranging. So, 99% credit goes to you.
No, it's your dream, sir. We are
21% credit. That's all. And you are doing really a wonderful job for our group. Hats off to you.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Balinga sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Thank you.
Yes.
Sir, your narration of journey right from childhood is very exciting one. So your management skill right from childhood till date is a highly regarded, highly appreciable one. And during this your journey, maybe childhood, maybe commissioning part, maybe you're in operation, maybe in war, you have converted every negative thing into positive. And that has earned a lot of respect for you, sir. The trust from your superior, the trust between the crew, your bonding, really appreciable one, and that is the reason you could head toward the success. First of all, your own trust is also equally important in human behavioral study. That is what I just like to mention here. Then I'll add one more thing, sir. I think your daughter was born on 17 December 1971. Everybody said it's a gift for you, war gift. I will add it to that. She has concluded the war with victory of our country.
Yes. Yes.
So because I'm definitely in a scientifically, she must be watching war till her date of birth.
Yes.
And then she brought the victory for country. That is another one. And really, sir, it is a very interesting story. And we have due regard for you. And we wish you all the best to you, your family, your children. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Balinga sir. Now we have another 71 war hero, Wing Commander Karnik sir. Sorry, I missed you, sir.
Yeah,
please.
No, it's all right. DK
I am so happy that your narration has been so vivid that virtually any one of us can visualize actually what you have done as if he was there on the spot. It is extremely vivid.
Yes, sir.
I have flown around in that area before the war for recce purposes earlier, and I know how difficult it is to fly around in the desert area. Believe me, it is so very requires high degree of professionalism. Additionally, I must appreciate Brigadier Ajit Apte, who has been consistent in appreciating the work done by we people from the Air Force.
Yes, sir. We should salute him for all his narration.
Absolutely. And I'm so glad that he is around with us
Yes.
and awaiting his interview next Sunday.
Yes, sir. Eagerly waiting.
Okay. DK, all the very best to you. Take care on your health front because that is the most important. Okay? Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
I am in contact with my course mate Karnik.
Is he your course mate, sir?
No, Vijay Karnik.
Achha, one more. Yeah, okay.
His coordinator Vijay Karnik of the Bhuj, on whom the film is going to be released on 13th August.
Okay.
He was commanding Bhuj area, and how the Pakistanis who had potholed the Bhuj airfield.
Okay.
He got hold of the people of the surrounding village Madhopur, and believe you, the men folk did not support him, but it was a women folk who volunteered and did the renovation, thus making Bhuj airfield operational for the war purposes.
Only war purpose. Okay.
So he is mistaken. You know, DK's postmate Vijay Karnik, the navigator, he was commanding that place as a squad leader.
Okay.
And he is referring to that.
Okay. Great, sir. Thank you, Karnik sir, for appearing in this call and giving your comments. So it's so nice, and you are also telling your own experiences, how difficult it is to fly in that part of the area where he valiantly fought and brought us a victory. So that speaks for the, as all of you say, that the professionalism of our Das sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Anybody can unmute and speak, sir.
Rao sir, can I come in?
Yeah, please, sir. Please.
Good afternoon to everyone.
Yeah, good afternoon. Thank you.
I have read about this war, Great Battle of Longewala. Read not much, but little bit. But through Group Captain Das's story, narration, and Brigadier Apte's complimenting, today I have lived Longewala. Thank you very much for bringing it out. Great. Thank you. That's all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir.
TVR, may I?
Please, sir, please.
Really, maybe like this stories I never heard. I am post-war.
Me too, sir. Me too.
And came out before any war.
Okay.
And hardly, had even witnessing, apart from some exercises, that too very rare. And that too I have been in N12 Vandal. Again, there was hardly any. So I have been really thrilled. My, sense were so by the story and narrated so well, as one of our told that as if I am seeing there, as if I am available that position, that kind of narration.
Yeah. He made us visualize the war.
My great salute and my prayer to Almighty to keep you well in health and long life. Definitely, the whole nation is having the proud.
Yes, sir.
And definitely we always have on you. and the compliment and given by Brigadier Apte. Really, it is so well. So again, not only thanking them, but thanking you, TBR, who organize and bring it to us. Otherwise, we have not been able to. And I am lucky to join this group day for yesterday and to see this. So
Thank you,
hats
sir.
off you. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you very much.
Sir. So nice. That is Dr. K.S. Gupta sir. Yeah.
Jai Hind,
And-
sir. TBR sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
want to tell you one anecdote
Yeah, please, sir, please.
during the war.
Yes, sir.
So when the war was on, first 2 days, later we got a letter from one of the wives of our 122 squadron.
Sir.
Now what had happened was, the day the war started, all the families were told to vacate their premises within the camp and find accommodation outside.
Okay.
Because as I
Safety
told
reasons,
you,
security, safety.
safety.
Sir.
And Wilson had promised not to give any assistance to anybody who is living outside, because he can't have the time or the resource.
Okay.
Now what happened was, about 6-7 of our lady wives of the officers, they had gone out, hired a house with about 7-8 bedrooms, and they were all living together.
They themselves organized, sir. They themselves.
Yeah, it was
Okay,
organized.
great. Okay.
So that information came through a letter
Sir.
to, at that time, squadron leader Tully.
Okay.
So now Tully and Jagbir Singh, they have been together through Iraq and things like that.
Sir.
So Tully just looks at Jagbir Singh and says, whatever happens there among the ladies should not bother us as friends.
Acha, okay. Okay.
Because among the ladies there is going to be a fight.
Definitely. Fight bigger than our fight. Yeah.
That should not break up our friendship.
Okay. Great. Enjoyed.
Whole lot of us burst out in laughter.
Great.
Anyway, so that is it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mr. Rao, can I speak? I am CP Singh.
Yes, sir. Please, CP Singh, sir. Yes.
Mr. Rao, can I speak now?
Yeah. Please, sir.
Good morning. Sir, good morning everyone once again. Myself and Group Captain Das sir were in same WhatsApp group Soldier in Delhi. And one day while scrolling, I have seen a big man with big mustache who had been encouraging all the members through his WhatsApp shares. Then I have spoken to him. Then he narrated whole his journey in short. But I could get his memory chip. It's very sharp. More than 200% is working. And I have 3 small questions from Das sir. 3 small questions. That what he thought after first that
kill,
drop or kill or damage.
First kill.
Second, what was the code? What code he received by post, by speed post, by signal, by text, or by other means? Then third question, was he changing aircraft frequently or he used same aircraft throughout? Please go ahead, Das sir.
The first question is, you can say it again, please.
What was the feeling, sir, after your first kill?
To have a drink.
Scotch. That's what we had. Great. Second one, sir.
The second one.
CP Singh, sir. Second one.
That second question, that you narrated you received a code. What was the mode of that reception?
Code,
by telephone,
sir.
by
Call
by
sign.
secret letter.